welcome back to my channel. My name is Jacqueline Lopez. I have a home decor haul to share with you today. Now for this video, I'm not going to do the decorating part at the end because most of these items are going to be used in my fall decorate with me and also in a couple DIYs that I'll have come up right after this video because I'm really excited to share that with you. So let's just get the usuals out of the way. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video. Like, comment, and share my video. That really helps my channel to grow. And let's just get into the haul because I'm really excited to share the items that I got. I'm going to start with Michael's since I only bought one item there. And I just got this adorable cloche. And this is the medium size of the ones that they have there at Michael's. I believe this was $22. I was able to use a 20% off coupon since Michael's no longer has the 40% off one regular price item and they no longer accept competitor coupons. Still 20% savings was really good. I'm going to be using this for a DIY. I'm super excited to share that, so make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss that one. Now I also got a couple items from Walmart. My Walmart is remodeling, so they had a lot of items on clearance and they were bringing in a lot of new items. So I was able to score some florals. Let me see how I can show them to you. And these were on clearance because I think they're summer florals. I got this beautiful like deep plum magnolia. I got this for 75 cents. And then I got these, I'm gonna pronounce them wrong, Protea, I think that's what it is, but it's this really pretty purple like yellow lilac one, and these were also 75 cents. I got two of them because I thought that was good enough of a number, and this one I wish they would have had another one. But I was only able to get one. Sometimes I do purples for fall, so that's why I still purchase this. I don't think I'm going to do that this year, but I may do like a small vignette or something to share on Instagram because a lot of you guys loved my like purple and pink fall decor that I've done previous years. I also got this really cute storage container. It is for the laundry. It has little care instructions here, which is really cute. This is the smaller one that they had, and it has a hinged lid, and it's pretty deep. It's just like a tin container. This was $7.99, I believe. They have a larger one, which is $11.99, and then they have a little storage caddy that is $14.99. I'm going to include pictures of that. I was waiting for this haul to go up so that I can share that on Instagram, so I'll be sharing those pictures over there as well because I really love this collection. I love the color of the tin itself, and then I really love the color of this handle, and it's plastic, so it's really easy to clean up. The larger one that is actually a storage container doesn't have a hinged lid, but it has a little scoop inside, so that's really adorable. On this smaller one, I'm going to do like my borax or like my OxiClean, and then in the large one I'm gonna do my powdered laundry detergent, so really excited to get that one as well. Final item that I got from Walmart is actually this pillow back here. It is Better Homes and Gardens, and it was only $15.99. I love the texture that it has. I love the cute little tassels. It's perfect. It goes with my couch really well, so very excited to have gotten these. I've had them actually for a while, and I knew that I wanted them for the fall season, so that's why they hadn't made an appearance yet. I wanted to wait until I shared this haul and my fall decorate with me. So far I only have two. I still need to get a third one, but every time I go to my store they don't have them. And again, it's just because of remodeling. I do constantly see it online, so I know it's an item that isn't discontinued. The rest of the items that I'm going to show you are all from Hobby Lobby, and for warning, they are all florals with the exception of one item, and it is this cute set of leaves. Well, that's what it says, and it's from the fall crafts area. These were $4.99. I did get them 40% off, and I think they're oak leaves. I love how beautiful they are. I like that they're cut out of actual wood, so you get a lot of the natural element and texture coming into your decor with these pieces. I don't know if I'm going to use them on my dining room table or if I'm going to just kind of sprinkle them throughout, because they are really, really adorable. I want to bring one out to show you. Look at how cute these are. I did get 2 packs because sorry, I was trying to see if they smelled like wood, and no, they don't smell like anything, but I still love these. I want to get more. I only got 2 packs of them, and if you don't like this really light color that it has back here, you can most definitely stain them. I'm gonna leave them as is because, again, they're just adorable. The week that I went into Hobby Lobby, they were having their florals at 50% off, and I got more of these. You've seen me haul these before. I really, really love these, and I knew that I was going to be using these for fall. They are $9.99, but again, I was able to use their 50% off that they had on sale on them. These are called Ruscus. That's what it says on the little thing where you get them. Last time I hauled them, I said that it didn't have a name, and they don't have it on the tag, but the name is actually where it has the price where they're displayed. So I wanted to share that in case you are looking for these online, or if you want to look at them in store. These are called Ruscus. I also got a garland, since again they were 50% off, and I got this adorable one. I have been wanting this one for a long time. It is 6 feet, as most of them are, and it was only $15.99. Most of their garlands are $19.99. I don't know why this one is less, but I'll take it. I really love the colors that this has. I love that it's green, but it's muted green. It kind of looks like it's like drying, so it looks fall-ish. I know I'll be getting really good use out of this one. Maybe at a different time I'll buy another one because I really love it. I love how full it is, and if you need it to be fuller, obviously you can fold it in, double it, whatever you want. This is adorable. I really, really like this. Again, I've been wanting this for the fall season forever, and it will work really well for spring as well. The rest of the florals that I'm going to show you are all dried florals. I am really excited that they are so popular this season. I am obsessed with them. I have always loved them. I would randomly buy a couple of dried pieces and include them in my faux floral arrangements. I have an arrangement I did last year that I'm going to leave linked down below for you, where I included them as an accent piece, and I also like to use them as accent pieces to my real floral arrangements. Again, I just love them. I am obsessed with them. I am mainly going to be using faux florals for the season, so make sure you are subscribed so that you don't miss my next DIY, because it includes a lot of dry florals. First of all, I got this one. It was $9.99, but I did get it when they had the dried florals at 50% off. I think this one is called bunny tails because it literally looks like little bunny tails. They had them in different colors, but I got this really nice neutral, like beige color, and I think this is their natural color. The other ones are dyed. And because it is fall, I had to get some pumpkins. These are a part of their dried florals. I don't know if they have a scent to them. No, it's just like little wood pieces made into a pumpkin. They have these in orange and I think another color. These were 50% off for a week. I think they had their fall florals at 50% off. So this was originally $9.99 and it comes with 4 of them. Can you see them? And I love that some of them took the color like really bright, others took it a little bit lighter. These are also going to be a part of the DIY I'll be sharing next. I know I've showed you a lot of neutrals for my fall decor, and this year I am doing orange as my accent color. Oops, really excited about that. This one was $7.99 and this has so much. I love this. I don't even know what this is called Soteria. I don't know. But I love this nice deep orange that it is. And I love how fluffy it is. I'm not going to put my hand in it because I have a thing with wheat. So I kind of feel like that's what it feels like. But I still know that it is adorable. And I can't wait to show you how I use this one as well. And then this is the last one that I got, and I'm very purposefully showing this at the end because I know some people don't like the look of like a cluster of holes. So this is your warning. If you don't like that, skip over so that you can just move like 10 seconds ahead. Just move on probably like 20 or 30 seconds. I'm gonna try and be quick, but again, this is your warning. If you don't like a cluster of holes, skip ahead. But I got these. I have no clue what they are called. Oh, they're lotus pods. I'll try and show them like this. I love it. I don't want to touch him either, but they are really cute. These were $8.99, and again, I got them when they were 50% off. They make really cute accents in floral arrangements, so I was really excited to have got these. I actually got 2 bags of them. Okay, it's safe now. I won't show those anymore. But I hope that you like the items that I showed. There's still a couple items that I am on the lookout for. I'm going to be buying like these really nice orange pillows. They are smaller and they are from Walmart. Again, my Walmart is remodeling, so I haven't bought them yet. I'm gonna leave them linked down below in case you want to buy them. That way you'll have them ready for when I show my decorate with me, if you are inspired to use them as well. And then of course I am going to buy the other sets of these, but I'm gonna do that slowly since that's for my laundry room. That's not specifically fall, but I think that's going to end my fall shopping, and that's good. I didn't buy a lot this year. Really happy about that. I'm going to be reusing a lot of items that I have here in my house, and I'm going to DIY a lot of it. The amber glass bottles are really on trend this year, so I went ahead and DIY'd my own so that I didn't have to go hunting for them at stores, and so that I could save money. I'm gonna leave that DIY video linked down below for you as well. But I think that resumes this video. I'm sorry that I'm not going to show you how I style them. I know that you guys have really loved when I do that in my hauls, and I plan to continue doing that. But I do want to film a couple of separate decorate with me for fall videos. Probably one for my living room and one for my kitchen. I plan to do a couple DIYs in my kitchen, so really excited about that. As always, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. If you haven't already, hit the notification bell so that you are notified of all of my upcoming videos. Again, I have those decorate with me's, and I have some DIYs coming up next. And leave me a comment down below which was your favorite item that I purchased. I know a lot of it is for DIYs, but you can still tell me which one was your favorite. And of course, share it with family and friends. That really helps my channel to grow. I am still on the road to 10,000 subscribers, but we are getting very close. So thank you for all of you that are already subscribed, and subscribe if you haven't. Now, thank you for taking time to watch my video. I hope you have a very good rest of your day. Bye-bye.